True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you know say a subscriber reach out to me and say, you want to see our Junction town stay? So I'm giving a tour at Junction. Yeah man, this is where you can see a lot of, I don't really color prejudice, but a lot of brown ladies in this town. But today is a Sunday, so a lot of people not really got up on the town today. So I'm just giving a walk through and showing you what Junction is like. So just stick and stay with people and see what I go on. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yes, my beautiful people, this is what Junction look like. Yeah man, so I go on. Over there we have the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Yeah man, so leave in the comment section where you're watching from. You know say town are really busy today. Not a busy town today guys. Yeah man, so you don't know me, I check out something new, so just stick and stay and see what I go on people. So you know this is a town where you know so normally I build up very fast, very, I would say one of the cleanest town in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, one of the cleanest town in St. Elizabeth guys. So you know Junction have a KFC now. You know a lot of people when they come on to KFC, a lot of people love them KFC in Jamaica, you know. So I walk in town and giving a full tour of Junction town. Yeah man, so this are the hard trust, you know. So yes, some people, big up my eyes are yours. Big up yourself, you know, you're the youth. And also Barry Dan. Just go over to them page and subscribe. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we reach at the KFC now. Yeah, man, just stick and stay and see what Junction town is look like. Me giving a full walk through. Not a busy day on a Sunday today in Junction. Yeah, man, you can see the sign. Yeah, man, take it to Junction, guest house. So need to visit Junction and see what I go on, you know. Very, very nice town here. Always one of my stopping ground in Junction. Watch bikers when I come through. Yeah man, so all the people them want them Jamaican t-shirt and them towel. We can come in a Junction town and get a Jamaican t-shirt and towel. Every design you can think about. Yeah man, them have it in a Junction. And having a Bob Marley same way. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from, guys. Yeah man, giving a full walk at Junction town. And this is what it looked like on a Sunday.